Motorola has been quietly improving its smartphones, and the Moto Edge 60 Fusion is one of the best examples of how far they've come. At first glance, this phone looks way more expensive than it actually is, thanks to its sleek design and premium curved display. The OLED screen is bright, colorful, and very smooth, which makes scrolling through social media, watching YouTube or Netflix, and even casual gaming feel really enjoyable. The curved edges also help give the phone a flagship-style look that you don't usually see in this price range. In daily use, the Moto Edge 60 Fusion feels fast and reliable. Apps open quickly, multitasking is smooth, and for most everyday tasks like browsing, messaging, streaming, and gaming, the phone handles everything without any noticeable lag. This makes it a great option for students, professionals, or anyone who just wants a phone that works smoothly all day long. When it comes to the camera, Motorola has done a solid job here as well. The 50-megapixel main camera with optical image stabilization captures sharp and detailed photos in good lighting, with natural colors that don't look overprocessed. Low-light photos are also better than expected for a mid-range phone, thanks to improved night processing and stabilization. Whether you're taking pictures for social media, family moments, or short videos, the camera delivers consistent and reliable results. Battery life is another strong point of the Moto Edge 60 Fusion. The phone easily lasts a full day on a single charge, even with heavy use like watching videos, scrolling social media, and using the camera. And when the battery does run low, Turbo Power fast charging helps you get back up and running quickly with just a short charging session. On the software side, the Moto Edge 60 Fusion offers a clean and smooth Android experience, which is something many users really appreciate. There's very little bloatware. The interface feels simple and easy to use, and Motorola's small extra features actually add value instead of getting in the way. Overall, the Moto Edge 60 Fusion is a well-balanced smartphone that delivers a premium look, strong performance, good cameras, long battery life, and a clean user experience, all at a price that makes sense. If you're looking for a stylish and reliable phone without spending flagship-level money, this is definitely one worth considering.